Hello everyone, welcome to the FTW channel. This is my first video, so please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, okay? Now let's get to the video. This video has two parts. First, the chase. Here we have a guy without a helmet, no license, and totally clueless, running from the cops because he doesn't want to lose his bike and ruin his day. With him on the back is his friend Scott. John has a plan to run. Where to? He has no idea. Scott yells, "Faster!" and John speeds up. Wait, is the guy on the back really smiling at the cop? With a flat rear tire, part 2 begins, the run. Right off the bat, Scott trips on his flip-flops and the straps break. He begs for help. The flip-flops are left behind. John, quicker, takes off, while Scott struggles to escape from the cop who's right next to him. Scott just wanted a chill day, but now he's without a bike, without flip-flops, without his buddy, and, well, without dignity. Scott gains a little lead, but not for long. Johnny tries to get into a house, but no one invited him. So he thinks, what did I do with my life? Looks like it's all over. He bought a motorcycle for himself, took the motorcycle, but forgot to pay for it. So they sent someone to remind him. But it seems like he doesn't want to hear what the cop has to say. The policeman gives his coordinates to the police dispatch center. Wow, it looks like someone was already waiting for him. I think he lost the motorcycle, right? And now we are following a chase after a man who escaped from a police checkpoint because he does not have a driving license. If you don't have a license, don't run away because in almost all cases, you will be caught. Want better advice? Don't even drive. Now the policeman uses his supersonic horn to stun the bastard. And it works. He falls at the same time. He was completely stunned and even crashed into someone's car. Now he will have time to think about what he did. Now the cops are dealing with runners who deserve a more effective response. 2 guys on the run. We don't know why they are running, but they are. The guy on the back tries to knock the cop off. If I were a cop, I would have popped the tire by now. Now we've got 3 bikes chasing one. At this point, the criminal kicks the cop's front wheel and knocks him down onto the asphalt. The rest of the team stays with the guy who got knocked down, and the cop keeps going. When the cop threatens to shoot, that's when they really start getting nervous. The cop seems to mess up his gears and waste some time. I bet the bad guys are probably laughing about it. For now, though. But the cop ends up catching the one I was hoping he'd get. Big props to GCM Nogueira, though. He handled it. The guy complains that his little foot is hurt, poor thing. Maybe because he used his foot to knock over the bike? The cop is okay. The runner was treated with all the respect and care he deserves. Fresh from the funk dance, these two are running away from a stop. The getaway rider even has his drink in hand, ready to sip it once the chase is over. Who do you root for when you see a chase? Drop a comment. The cop asks him to stop so they can have a chat. Honestly, this guy's driving so well, he must be a Postmates delivery guy in his spare time. I don't know about you, but I'm loving this chase. Look at that, a lazy boy. Exactly what I needed here at home. Does anyone know where this street is? Just imagine if that old lady stuck out her arm.
Vem pra cá, deita! Vai, deita! Deita, vai pro chão, para no chão! Para no chão! Para a mão, Fecon, para a mão, para a mão! Só uma parada aqui.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like it, leave your comment and video suggestions. If you want, send your video to kirkj@gmail.com, and I will publish it on my channel, and I will put your channel name in the description. Bye.